iTorial, Intelligent Tutorials. Microsoft Word 2007, Underline text or spaces. For this tutorial, there is a help file. You can find the help file link in the description box below. After you have the link downloaded, please open the file so we may begin. Alright, I'll give you a moment to open your file. Awesome. Let's begin. The quickest way to underline text is to press Ctrl-U and start typing. When you want to stop underlining, press Ctrl-U again. You can also underline text and spaces in several other ways. You can underline words and the spaces between them. You can underline words but not the spaces between them. You can use a double underline. You can underline blank spaces. Or you can add a decorative underline. Let's practice these now. Underline words and the spaces between them. Step 1. Select the text that you want to underline. Step 2. On the Home tab, in the Font group, click Underline, or press Ctrl-U. To change the underline style or color, click the Font dialog box launcher. Click the Font tab, and then change the underline style or underline color setting. Underline words, but not the spaces between them. Step 1. Select the text that you want to underline. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the Font dialog box launcher and then click the Font tab. Step 3. In the Underline style box, click Words Only. Let's try another one. Use a double underline. Step 1. Select the text you want to underline. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the Font dialog box launcher and then click the Font tab. Step 3. In the Underline style box, click Double Underline. Let's try another one. Underline blank spaces. You can underline blank spaces by pressing Shift-, but it is difficult to line up underlines if you are creating a fill-in form, for example. Also, if the auto-format option for changing underscore characters into border lines is turned on, pressing Shift- 3 or more times in a row will result in a line that extends the width of the paragraph, which may not be what you want. A better way to underline blank spaces for a printed document is to use the Tab key and apply the underline formatting to the tab characters. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can click the Tab key and then highlight the tabbed area. Then click the Underline button. You could also try Ctrl-U to be in underline mode, and then Tab, and then Ctrl-U again to go out of underline mode, like so. Here, you can try this another way too. Step 1. On the Home tab, in the Paragraph group, click Show Hide Paragraph Marker so that you can see the marks that indicate spaces and tab stops. Step 2. Press the Tab key. Step 3. Select the tab characters that you want to underline. A tab character looks like a small arrow. Step 4. Do one of the following. Press Ctrl-U to apply a simple underline format. Or, to apply a different style of underline, on the Home tab, click the Font dialog box launcher, click the Font tab, and then click Underline Style to choose a different underline style. On to our next one. Add a decorative underline. Step 1. Select the text you want to underline. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the Font dialog box launcher, and then click the Font tab. Step 3. In the Underline Style box, click the style you want. Step 4. To change the color of the underline, click Underline Color, and then click the color that you want. Okay, on to our last item, remove underlining. To remove single underlining from words and spaces, select the underlined text and press Ctrl-U. To remove other styles of underlining, press Ctrl-U twice. Ctrl-U, Ctrl-U. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you at another iTorial tutorial sometime soon.